Let's make some lunch for my kids. Today I made rainbow waffles. I'm adding that to the bento box. I have dragon fruit here and I'm using my melon baller, making little cute balls of dragon fruit and adding that to our side tray. Next I have some mangosteen. You just peel the outer layer and inside is the fruit. Kind of looks like garlic, but they're a little slimy and squishy, but they're really good. So if you get a chance to try them, they're my mom's favorite. I added some cherries. Now for some grapes, I'm making my zigzag cuts around the middle, adding the grapes in, and that is it for our fruit. And a little side of protein, some pistachio nuts. And now for the note I'm writing. If you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. And these are song lyrics from Bruno Mars. Folding the note up, adding a heart sticker to it. And that is it. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.